What letter is in purple circle?
The.
In purple. Which letter?
Ra.
Ra. Nice, good. And in red. In red.
In red.
Yeah. What is in red?
The.
Okay. In green. In green.
I don't know.
No, in green, which letter? You asked it before some minutes.
Purple.
What letter in purple circle?
Ra.
Before it, green circle.
Before green circle. Before green circle.
This one. This one. It's
You
green.
said purple circle. You said purple circle.
No, not this one. This.
I know that.
Where is my arrow now? Can you see my... This one. Green. Zal. Yeah. In green, which?
Zal.
Good. Okay. Look on the screen. And tell me this. What is this color? New circle. Dal. Yeah. It's brown. Brown circle. Which letter?
Dal.
In green. In green.
Zal.
In red. Which letter in red circle?
In red circle. Zal. Zal.
Za.
Za.
What?
Za.
In purple. In purple.
Da. No, ra.
Nice student name is? Which name? Yeah. Good. Mashallah. Very good girl. Okay. In sky blue circle, which letter?
Ha.
Good. In green.
Ha.
Okay. Nice. What? Nice. Okay, nice student. Now you can. What you are looking on screen now?
What do you mean about that?
What you are looking on screen? New lesson? What is this hadith?
The supplication is worship.
Yeah, next one. Continue, don't stop.
Do not become angry.
Next.
Do not envy one another. Do not hate one another.
Okay. Nice. Next.
Modesty al-Hidayah is a branch of faith.
Nice student. Good, next.
Rightness is a good attitude.
Next.
Actions are but by intentions.
Next.
The key to paradise is prayer.
Oh, prayer. How many prayers you was read before yesterday
5.
and today?
5.
Oh, complete. Good. MashaAllah. Next one.
Every act of kindness is a charity.
Good. It's two hadiths, repeat sometimes.
To dear actions are but by intention.
Yeah, this one.
I can't see it.
This one. Okay, complete page, read this one. Again, repeat. Don't stop.
Are but by intention. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intention. 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 Actions are but by actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by actions are but by intention. 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 Actions by intention. Actions are but 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 by intention. But by intention. Actions are by intentions. Intentions, actions are by intention. Intentions by, but are actions. Actions are by intentions. Actions are by intention. Actions are by intention. Actions are by intention. Actions are by intention.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Very good. Student name is?
Nadeem.
MashaAllah. Okay. Now you can repeat one time this lesson. After that, we will end the class. Are you ready?
No, yes. No, yes, no. No, yes. Yes.
No, yes, and yes, no. Words language. Yes, no, and
Maybe.
no, yes.
Maybe.
Okay. You can tell me now. One second, wait. Where lesson? This one. Okay. 1 second, wait. In purple color letter, in vertical circle, which letter?
Za.
In red circle, which letter?
Ra.
In blue, blue no, it's yellow, sorry, orange yellow. Hurry up. After that you can go. Complete it step. After then you can go.
Zal.
Sorry?
Zal.
Nice. Good. In green.
Dad.
Oh. In sky blue.
Sky blue. Have to go with no ka.
And in red. In red. Good. In purple.
G.
Nice student. In green. Sorry. Tha. Okay. And before, in sky blue.
Tha.
Good. In red.
Ba.
And in brown.
Alif.
Oh,
Alif.
mashallah. I appreciate you. You are win. Mashallah. Winner. Winner student name is?
Nadeem.
Oh, say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.